We've seen this. Those are my two. I'm gonna go right here again, and we'll go right. No, I don't want to do it. I've seen it a little bit. All right, here we go.
Whoa!
Whoa, Robin Hood. We got Robin Hood.
You see what I see?
We got. What do we got? Hang on, I'll get there. I'll get it.
Some gold.
This episode is kicking off right from the last episode, so if you don't know what's going on, make sure you check out the last episode. But this is gonna get wild.
Let's see. Oh, interchangeable stones for your necklace. That's actually really cool. Let's see. Ooh, what's this thing right here? Thomas.
Oh, Kincaid. Y'all, check that out. It's probably a music box too.
Kincaid. That's
Remember
cool.
we
So
sold all of the. That's
oh
Thomas
yeah, that
Kincaid.
is right. That is right. Okay.
I said that's Thomas Kincaid. Like I answered your question.
I recognize it now. I recognize because we sold the crap out of a bunch of them. Oh, this thing is broken right here. Okay. We got a trio, which is like a phone or something, or hours of video. 4 gigabytes. Okay, we got another interchangeable.
Turtle.
Wow, I wonder if we get a pineapple. Let's bet. Oh, artisan glass. That's cool. Okay, what do we have in here? Oh, just tons of just like labeling. Wow, it looks like a clip.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a gun clip. That's cool. Okay. Close this up. Okay, let's see. What's in here? Oh. Whoa, looks like silver. Looks like silver ring, silver neck, earring. We're gonna put this in a safe spot. Let's open. Here, let's see. Hang on. We'll open this up here. Let's see. What is this? This doesn't have any markings on it. Might be copper. So that's really cool. Seeing these in there. What else we got here? Oh. Here we go, Chopper. You with me? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, we got another silver ring or earring. This thing looks silver too. We got some coins here. We have Indian head pennies. 1901, 1908, 1906. Let's see a couple more here. This is 1903 and the dates are very clear on them. This is a really good box here. This is cool, man. This is just all cool stuff to me, guys. Okay. We'll put those back. Let's see. Okay, we got some shipping stuff. A lot of Post-its. I see the Post-its. Happy birthday. Oh, look at that. Pure silver plated. Nice ring. Let's see. Got more Post-its. It looks like a lot of labeling stuff. But pretty alright box. Pretty cool box if you ask me.
Very good box. I think so. I mean,
sterling silver right here.
Jewelry in it.
Sterling silver. More sterling silver. I think it's a good box.
And then there's also the brand new stationery items. I mean,
perfect.
That's cool.
It's your turn. Okay, here we go. Here we go, guys.
I think I'm going to choose this one.
All right, here we go.
This was on top of the box, so it counts.
It's a quick angel. We'll see a quick angel. Okay. Can't get it out. Don't want to break it. Here we go.
I don't want to break it.
Oh.
A dolphin figurine.
Nice. We got a bunch of dolphins, 3 really cool wrapped cars. Are those Tonkas or what?
I can't read. It says Hong Kong.
Made in Hong Kong.
Because look at the price tag sticker over top. Let me see if I can look at another one. New Bright, 1991.
Sheesh.
But this one might be different.
That's cool.
You know what I mean? And then there was also 3 boxes, dead stock boxes, of a 3D Super Bowl.
Nice.
I can't open it, so I don't know how cool it is, but I imagine because it's Looney Tunes, it's probably something awesome.
Nice.
So that's my box, guys.
All right, there's literally 4 more boxes. Here, take the camera. All right, I'm just gonna be simple and go with just this one right here. Oh, whoa! Lion King boxes of cards. What? No way. There's 1, 2, 3 boxes of Lion King cards.
The
What?
circle.
What is this? Oh, Frankie Rodriguez. Certificate of authenticity. This certifies the front row set is, whoa, how many in here? Sheesh, that's a lot.
A legendary amount.
It's a legendary amount. Let me see what this is. 93, 94 Fleer basketball series. Sheesh, sealed. Now that's pretty good too.
That's a 3-pointer.
That's pretty cool. There's 2 of them. There's 2 of little Beavis and Butthead packet. Whoa. Tons of just
Beavis and
cards.
Butthead.
There's so many different cards. Let's see here. What is this? The Little Mermaid? Dude, I didn't even know they made Little Mermaid cards.
I didn't know either.
Sheesh. Wow. Completely perfect.
And there's 3 of them?
No, this is, let's see. This is a classical car set. Sheesh, just take a look at this Little Mermaid, though. Look at how good of condition.
Whoa, you're missing something
Yeah,
amazing.
whoa.
There's a conspiracy going around.
What
Can
is
I
it?
say something after you show it? But I want to show it first.
Yeah, show it.
That they're spelling Bernstein different now. That they like dropped some letters in this name. So I wonder if this is the original spelling of the Bernstein Bears, because if that is the case, this is probably worth a
Thousands,
hecka amount of
because
money.
of Mandela effect, right?
Yes.
So basically, just to explain what she's saying is people remember things differently, and they like are really sure about their memory, and it turns out that they're wrong. And if that's like a way to crack that code, oh my gosh, that thing's gonna be worth some money. But that was my box, guys. Comment below. We got 3 more boxes left. Chapo's next.
Ooh, I can't pause it. So guys, I'm actually gonna pick the smallest box in this. What is this, truck?
This is
Milk
a bread.
truck.
This is a bread truck.
Bread
Chavo.
truck. But I think
Oh, she's going for it.
let's
She's
hope.
going for it.
Let's hope that this has a legendary value.
Let's see it. Ready? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wrong way, guys. 1, 2. Open.
Yeah. Oh, don't move. Whoa.
A lot of giblets and what have yous in here.
Whoa, what's going on? Those are handmade.
Is this
This
gold?
looks like
It's a little rat.
Chuck E. Cheese tokens.
Literally,
Okay.
it's a little rat.
Okay, nice. What else
It's a
do we
pin.
got? Wow, guys. Oh,
Indians?
We got armies.
Airborne snipers.
Airborne sniper. That's nice. That's cool.
Little
Tons
guy.
of pins. Look
But
at
he
the
might
little
be an
guy.
original
Oh,
guy.
He's sweet. He's sweet.
Right?
Oh, man. I remember him.
Taz.
Taz, I remember him too.
He's Valentine's Taz.
There he is.
He is 1998.
1998.
99.
Look, there's fucking more snowstorms. Sons of dogs around and I'm not making any sense.
All I hear was s'mores. Did you not say s'mores?
S'mores. Let's see what we got.
We don't know who that guy is. We got a camel lighter.
Nice.
Some of this stuff might be gold.
Nice.
A knife pin.
at that cool little car. Oh my gosh.
This guy?
No, right in front of you, Chapo. Look at that alien. Oh, crap.
Hold on, guys.
Wait. No,
Can
no.
I put down the box and see if he glows in the dark?
No, not yet.
Okay, then I'll just set him down then. Okay. I don't see a car yet. But
What's
I'm gonna
that? What's
keep
that?
checking. Can't read
Like a
that.
watch.
It's good,
That
bandit.
car right there looks like a Tootsie toy.
This guy?
No, he's flipped upside down.
Look, I can't see it.
Look at the camera.
And I also don't want to knock anything off.
Look at the camera. That car.
This guy. It says... Oh, you don't want to check out the car?
Says, oh yeah, I zoomed in. It's a Tootsie toy. Nice box. Wow. Nice box.
Lots of pins. Tennessee whiskey. What is this? A bottle opener, Old Dutch.
Another alien. Whoa. Sheesh. Nice box. Look at this. Look at that 1943 nickel penny. 1943 nickel penny.
What happened to the bag of change? There was a bag of change in here. Look.
No, that's
Chuck E. Cheese.
yeah, Chuck E. Cheese. Still cool, but didn't you find a Metallica pen?
It's right here.
Whoa. Sheesh.
A mini knife. So cute. Hear no evil, see no evil. Monkey.
Been a long bread truck chronicles, guys, and it's coming to the end. Like I said, we have one more round of me and Chapo together are gonna open up this legendary tote. This is gonna be crazy. Okay, here we go. Without further ado, here's my box. Whoa, books. Okay, Antiques Guide to Antiques, collector books, more collector books. We got a really nice, beautiful ship set. It's made by Siku. Let's see what's in here. Right. Oh, it's
right.
like, it's gotta be like it looks like a vibrio tool. I have no idea, guys. Comment below what that does. I'm thinking it's a Dremel. That's what I'm thinking, though. I could definitely be wrong. I could 110% be wrong, but those things tend to be worth money as vintage tools, too. Let's see. Okay, we got the sandals. Got the big, huge photography book. I've had this book multiple times. Tons more books. Looks like I got like the book
Antique guide.
Yeah, look at
That's
the
actually
gun.
cool.
The gun book. Ooh. Tons of nuts and bolts. Uh-oh. Right at the bottom, guys. Right at the bottom. Looks like the glorious 1st of June. Something Howie. Real nice. More cups. I wonder what's at the bottom.
Oh, I see something that I know they love. You got to take all those books out, though.
What?
Just trust me. Oh, that was a book. Never mind. I thought that was a
Oh,
Harley
but
sign.
no. Look at this, though. What is this? Wow.
Merci, oui.
What's this right here? And then look. An Indian head, arrowhead. Those are all at the bottom of the box. So you
That
gotta
was
make
worth
sure.
taking it up.
Yeah, it was.
I hear
It
a
was.
coin. What is that?
It's all just stuff. Tons of stuff. Good stuff, though, guys. Good stuff. All right. Here it is, her last box. Oh,
What is it?
oh, is it porcelain dolls? I'm coming on this side.
I think it might be clowns.
Oh, they're clowns.
Whoa.
Whoa.
And
How many are in there?
There is a few.
There's one.
Also, this.
Also, another issue of a Spawn. Another one. There's 1, 2, 3 that we
there's some
see.
stuff at the bottom.
Whoa, there's way more at the bottom. Sheesh, look at these clowns.
These ones are scary, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they're cool, but it brings back memories of when my mom used to have clown figurines.
Uh-oh.
And they would stare at me. Like, look at that.
I see jewelry under it.
Yeah.
No way.
It's just the way the cookie crumbles, unfortunately. Okay, so this is a leather wallet.
We got tons of leather wallets and tons of jewelry. I mean, tons of different rings.
These are like wizards. Like this one's a little wizard. I wonder if these are D&Ds. Like a D&D reference.
I have no idea.
And then a whole bunch of leather wallets.
Which you guys know you love the leather wallets.
Tennessee. You know, you got the taste of them already. TY unopened Beanie Babies.
Sheesh, look at that.
98.
Nice. I see some cars. Ah.
That's the finest magnet.
Magazines.
Oh.
That's a gun. That's a clip.
I said the finest
That's
magnets.
a clip from for a Colt 40 Smith & Wesson. Nice. What else?
Oh, military patches.
Nice. Special Forces Vietnam. Tons of them. Oh, there's more. What's that? Oh, never mind. That's just a wallet. That's just a wallet.
Whoa, what's... Whoa.
That's just what's in there.
Oh.
That just comes in there. Oh. What's that? Okay.
Every time I touch something, like, whoa.
All right. Whoa, what's that? Whoa!
1978. It's a bubblegum wrapper.
That thing is
Shut
cool.
up.
That's cool. Oh, put that in the cigarette box.
Oh, and look, a ring.
Sheesh.
Are these silver?
Let me see. I'll get a good look at those. Oh, wow. Guys, do this semi-quickly, guys, because it's been a crazy Bread Chronicles. And remember, we still have to get that right there. Oh, don't fall. That right there. The next box, and this is the last box. Here we go. Oh, tons of cards. We got Major League Baseball signed. There's a bunch of them. There's a Rangers one. There's a World Series one. There's another Rangers one. There's tons of baseball signed. That's really cool. Let's see what else we got. We got Upper Deck World Cup soccer cards from '93, followed by some Beatles cards from also probably around that same era. Crazy. Fat stack of Elvis cards, it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, these are Elvis cards. No way, guys. These are going to be in the auction. I don't want to bend them. But let's see what year they're from. They are from 1978. That is old right there, guys. That is pretty darn old for a card. Okay, here we go. We have some more hologram Billy Elliot cards. We have, oh, these are cool. These are Zippo holders. There's a bunch of Zippo holders. These are really cool. Some more leather right here, and then looks like a big, 1992 race car set. Pretty good box, guys. Not too bad of a box, guys. Pretty awesome box. Without further ado, guys, let's look at that tote. Okay. Ready? We on? Oh, nice. All right, the moment we've been waiting for, guys. It's been a long Bread Chronicles, really awesome episode. This bread truck is going to be forever legendary, forever, guys. All All right, guys, it's been like 4 episodes. Right now, I want you to comment below and tell me what you think is inside of this tote. This is the last tote that we decided to open. And wow, it's crazy, guys. Comment below what you think is inside of the last
Further ado,
tote.
The tote. Oh, no way. What? No way. Full-size characters, dude. Dude, I was not expecting that. So we got, let's see what we got here. We have
Juan
Jaquan Howard. I don't even know. Yeah, that guy. I think he's an announcer now. This one right here. What do we got? Cordell Stewart. We have a unopened Mustang model. We have Chevrolet Corvette. Let's see what's in here. Oh, Michael Jordan.
No.
Oh, dang.
It's
Scotty Pimpin'.
Scotty.
Scotty Pimpin'. What do we got here? Another Ken Griffey Jr. What do we got here? Patrick Ewing. What is this? Arnold Palmer. I love that drink.
I didn't know he played baseball.
No, he played. He's a golfer.
Oh.
Let's see. Who are all of these people, though? Who do we got here? Was that Karl Malone? Karl Malone. Oh, we got Shaq. Here comes Shaq. Here he is. Shaq. And then we have another one. Another Scotty Pimpin'. And then another Scotty Pimpin'. And then the 2 Tim Duncans. Not bad, guys. What a crazy tote. Who in the world would have thought that those were in there? Those figures are so cool, guys. That has been the end of the Bread Chronicles. Type a heart in the chat, guys, for this legendary, iconic bread truck and such an awesome, amazing, great experience to go through it with you guys. Comment below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. Chapel loves you guys. I'll see you guys later.